Okay, we're back at it again for the middle part of the renovation of our house that we rent out. Now let's go inside. We haven't stained the front door yet, but we have started to prep the wood beams. We sanded them and now we're covering them up to paint around them. And then after we paint around them, they're gonna stain the wood beams. Same with the living room ones. The natural wood look I like a lot, but we're gonna stain these a little bit dark to contrast against that really white ceiling. I like to paint the trim and doors and ceilings bright white when I paint. And here's the bathroom, and we stained the bathroom cabinets down, but they obviously need some handles to pop out. Here's the left bedroom, master bedroom. The roofing is all gone and we're going to paint that bright white, and the wood beam is obviously stained and covered up. And here's the other bedroom. The wood beam has been sanded and the roofing has been removed, and that's going to be painted bright white for both rooms. Now, come back next week. The renovation will be complete.